king, but I fought for my saint. They call me a bad man.
ये दो बाइक्स 4 लाख में देगी आपको एक सुपर बाइक का फेल। जी हाँ, पहली है KTM ड्यूक 390 एंड सेकंड इज TVS Apache RR 310।
I'm a king, but I fought for my saint. They call me a bad man, that's a fucking good thing. Mama said swing back when another man swings, so I make my mama proud and they make their heads ring. Father forgive me, I can't forgive them. You know my history, know what I did then, and what I do now, a whole lot worse. Heavy is the head, it's a blessing and a curse.